Hello friends, welcome to my channel presenting review of Magnatuss A cough syrup. Magnatuss A cough syrup is marketed by Magnet Labs Private Limited. It is anti-allergic, bronchodilator and mucolytic expectorant. Magnatuss A cough syrup are used in the treatment of urticaria, allergic rhinitis, hives, nasal congestion and as expectorant. It is available in a bottle of 100 ml, having excellent taste and delicious flavor. It contains desloratadine, ambroxol, and guaifenesin. It is used in the wet cough and allergic condition. Ambroxol is mucolytic. It makes cough thin and loose. This thin and loose cough is expelled by guaifenesin, and loratadine is anti-allergic. If you are allergic to any of these ingredients, don't use this medicine. It requires prescription. Avoid self-medication. Side effects are increase in heart rate, muscle cramp, gastric upset, chest pain, etc. These side effects are normal, not showing any harmful side effects. It requires doctor prescription. If you like this video, share as maximum as possible and hit a like. Thanks for watching video.